What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another do-it-yourself install video. This time we are installing a custom badge that I had made by Delancey 3D Designs. Met this guy on IG, gave him my idea, he brought it to life, and it came out really nice actually. If you look here, this is kind of what it comes with the kit that he sent. Here is the harness, nothing too crazy. This is the back bracket, and then obviously the hardware to mount that in though. So for myself, I'm actually going to remove all the front emblems on my Challenger. So I'm going to remove the grill inserts, the little RT logo, and then the Challenger logo on the left. So it's going to be all wiped out, and it's just going to have this. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But again, just want to give you guys the install video on this custom 3D emblem, and then as well as sort of my review on it and so on and so forth. So, but again, this is the simple kit, nothing too much to it. This is the Bluetooth controller. Looks just like that. There is an app to it, so I'm gonna post that right now so you guys can log into it if you want to log in and see how the app works. But it should be pretty self-explanatory, and this is obviously the control module, so pretty simple. Again, as far as the quality is concerned, I mean, it does feel really nice. It doesn't feel kind of cheap. Obviously this is custom made, which is pretty cool, so I just wanted to obviously go with my name and then obviously my logo right here. So hopefully you guys can see how it came out. Again, it feels nice. It doesn't feel too cheap, too plastically. I mean, it is custom, so it came out just how I wanted it. Turnaround time, it took them about 3 weeks to do. But besides that, I had no issues with that whatsoever though. So, all right, guys, so here's some of the stuff that you're gonna need for this install. The kit does not come with any kind of power wire to the Bluetooth module, so you're gonna have to go out and just kind of get some power wire for that. So we have that, some connectors for that. We have some electrical tape, strippers, and then I also got another like a fuse, obviously, just to keep it safe, right? So got a fuse, so that'll take care of that. And then obviously here's the wiring for the module, so, and obviously the rest of the kit though. So let's go ahead and plug this stuff in, plug it into the Bluetooth controller, and then we'll start kind of wiring it in. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take our harness. Just gonna strip these a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, so you can kind of strip them, and then they can go into the Bluetooth controller. All right, let's take our controller. As you can see, this is how the Bluetooth controller is set up. So we're just kind of sort of match the colors to the diagram on the Bluetooth controller, and then line them up and tighten them up. So the black is going to go to the V+. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then the green is going to go to the green. And next we're going to do red to red, red to R basically. And then blue to the B for blue. And then last one is white, is going to go to WW. Hope you guys can kind of see that. Alright, now that your Bluetooth controller is wired in, I'm going to put this aside, and I'm going to start to wire in the power wire, put in the fuse as well. Alright, there we go. I'm going to take a picture of it just so you guys can see it clearly, but that's how it should look. Let's go ahead and put the cover on. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to test out the unit, make sure it's got power and functionality, and then I will go ahead and start running the wire. I went ahead and removed the bumper, so that was a whole nother episode. And then also what I did was I removed the RT emblem over here, and then on this side over here I went ahead and removed the Challenger emblem on this side. Now I went ahead and obviously just kind of ran the wire. That's all good to go. I tested out the unit, it's powered on, it works perfectly, no issues. Now what we're gonna have to do is take obviously our unit, and then I'm gonna actually kind of just put it right here. Only issue that I see right now is this little plug does not fit through there, so I'm gonna have to use the Dremel drill and go ahead and just drill a little slot just to kind of pass the wire through, and then I will add the backing plate that goes on the back side of the grill, and go ahead and mount it. So let's go ahead and drill out the switch. Alright guys, so I went ahead and just kind of placed it where I wanted to place it. The cool thing about this unit is obviously those screws that were behind it to kind of mount it. There's a lot of adjustability with it, which is kind of nice. So I went again and again I put it where I wanted it. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the back plate and I'm going to stick it behind it, and then tighten up with the washers and bolts, and then we should be good to go as far as mounting it. Alright guys, you can see the backing plate is good. Kind of held together by the screws. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the bumper back on. Just kind of zip tie some of the excess wiring, make sure it's all clean up, and then I will give you guys the final result. Alright guys, here we are with the final install here. Go ahead and check it out. Hopefully you guys can see it. It looks pretty cool. And again, everything is on the app, so you can just kind of change whatever color you want. I didn't get the Flow series. It's got obviously all the basic colors, different presets you can choose. You know, and just really you can just scroll through it. So it's pretty cool. And it's got obviously different you know, patterns you can put, you know, pulsating red, pulsating green, blue. It's got a bunch of different patterns you can choose from on this app. This is what comes with the Bluetooth controller. So again, pretty cool, pretty simple. You can just go white. So if you want to rock white, I know maybe in the camera it looks a bit more blue, but it's pretty white. So, but again, check it out. It's pretty cool. So it looks pretty good with the halos that I already have on. Go back to red. Check it out. So there you go guys, that's the review on it. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.